I'll be making some avocado oil. So this is my avocado. That's the avocado seed. I dried them up. That's my avocado skin. So anytime you buy your avocado, after eating your avocado, do not throw your skin away. Save it, and then I dry this one like for 3-4 days. Just leave them outside, it will get dry. So now I'm going to be blending everything. So this way I'm going to be cooking my avocado. So I got some sunflower oil. Everybody needs sunflower oil, which is very good as well. So this avocado oil, you can use it for your hair, for your skin. That's everything that has been grinded. So I'm gonna pour everything into the oil. That's the avocado now. Don't add any water. No water. Just keep on cooking it on a very low heat. You see, it start changing color. If you want, you can. If you have more time, you can drop a little bit amount of water, not too much, but make sure that your water is all nicely dry. Sometimes I even use the oil for my breakfast to fry my egg. I mean, avocado oil have so many health benefits. They have vitamin C, E, K, and B6 vitamin. So you can do your own research about avocado oil. In case if you don't know, that's the avocado here. I eat avocado every single day with my salad, my bread. I even eat it like that. I love eating avocado. So that's the one that I'm making, avocado oil. So anytime I eat my avocado, I always save the peel and the seed. So that's what I use to make avocado oil. Or if you want, you can use the whole avocado to make your avocado oil, which is perfect as well. You can use your almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil to make your avocado oil. All is perfect fine. It's okay. You can use it. It's fine. Now I'm gonna shift it. So that's my avocado oil. Make sure everything is very dry, so then if you keep it, it won't get spoiled. Make sure there's no water, no juice, nothing, because I'm going to be using this one for my hair, for the kid hair, for my skin. I always mix some into my cream as well, my body cream. Can you see that color? So I'm going to let it cool here, and then I will show you the next step, what I'm going to be doing. So that's my bottle. The other bottle that I have is a bit darker. So if I put it in that bottle, you are not going to be seeing the avocado oil. So now I got my strainer like so, and then get any cloth that you have, a clean one, and then because you want to keep your avocado oil very clean. So I don't want any pit inside. So make sure that your oil is very cool. just squeeze everything. So you see, this is what come out from it. So you don't need this one. So that's my homemade avocado oil. Can you see the difference between the sunflower oil and the avocado oil? So this is the oil that I used at the beginning, the sunflower oil, and then I did my avocado oil out of the sunflower oil. But can you see the difference? So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, thumbs up, subscribe,